For today's recipe, we have Rösti and Geschnetzeltes. Okay, disclaimer, this is the Geschnetzeltes that our son loves. So, for the Rösti, we just need butter and the grated potatoes. I already squeezed the juice of the potato so that it will look like that and it's easier to fry. And for the Geschnetzeltes, we have onions, parsley, cream. I have pork cut this way, and then mushrooms. Now let's begin. For the Geschnetzeltes or for the pork, we have to have our stove in the highest heat so that there will be no water or the meat will not have this moisture. Now we have to put a little bit of oil. And spread. And the action begins. We can just make the portion by portion for the meat so that it's faster to cook. So once the texture looks like this, then it's good. We can fry the other. Just repeat the procedure until all the meat are cooked. And for our last batch of meat, they named it here a la minute because we'll just to cook it for approximately 1 minute. Then the meat is good. So it's really 1 minute and the meat looks like this. So, and now we have to put the onions. The mushrooms. And now we can put the bouillon. So now we can put the cream. And we will simmer it for about 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. 10 minutes is over, then we can put the meat. I already put the salt and pepper, as you can see. And cook for another 5 minutes. So for the roasting, melt first the butter. Once the butter is melted, then we can put the potatoes, the grated potatoes. And on the other side is the rosti. We have just to mix it once in a while. And now I have to put additional butter. Now let's add salt and pepper. We will mix again. If the texture is like this or the color or the appearance, then we can make it as just like a cake. Press a little bit. And after 5 minutes, we can turn upside down. I will just choose a plate to make it upside down. It's a little bit hot. We'll add again another butter so that it will not stick. And a little bit mix. Melt the butter. It's already turned upside down. And just press again. How the rosti looks like. And then the Geschnetzeltes on the other side. And I will just put parsley, fresh from the garden.